Kids Zone with Trishy. Olaf's birthday. Today is a special day. It is Olaf's birthday. Anna rubs her eyes. She has lots to do. Anna finds Elsa. They have a secret. They are planning a party for Olaf. The sisters go to Oaken's to get supplies. He has lots to choose from. Elsa picks candles. Anna picks flowers. Now the sisters have what they need. Anna and Elsa need to keep Olaf busy. Their friends are setting up the party. Anna and Elsa ask Olaf to spend the day with them. Olaf says yes. Anna, Olaf, and Elsa play in the garden. Olaf watches a bee. Anna stops to rest. It is hot. Olaf is having lots of fun. Next, the friends go on a boat. Olaf steers the boat. The friends land on the beach. The sand is hot. It hurts Anna's feet. Olaf likes the water. He chases the waves. The waves chase him. Olaf builds 2 sandmen. They look like his friends. Anna and Elsa play in the sand too. They build a castle. Olaf sees some birds. He dances with the birds. The birds dance with him. It is time for lunch. Elsa and Anna packed all of Olaf's favorites. Olaf wants to play more. He loves the beach. Olaf plays in the sand. He makes sand angels. Soon, it is time to go home. Elsa sails the boat. Olaf and Anna soak up the sun. Olaf's friends are waiting on the dock. It's time for the party. Anna brings Olaf to the party. His friends are dressed up. It is a summer party. Olaf loves summer. Olaf loves his party. This is the best day ever. Anna brings out a cake. Olaf's friends sing to him. Olaf makes a wish. He blows out his candles. Olaf's friends give him a big group hug. Happy birthday, Olaf!